Hello students, I am going to revise chapter number 5, complex number. Chapter number 5, complex number. Complex number. In this chapter, we solve question number 1. Z is equal to minus 3 minus iota. Find real part of Z, imaginary part of Z, Z conjugate and modulus of Z. This is question number 1. Okay. This is question number 1. You know that standard form of complex number is Z is equal to A plus iota B. Standard form of the complex number is A plus iota B. In this, A is real part. A is real part and B is imaginary part of Z. Now when you compare this with this, Z is equal to A plus iota B. When you compare, the real part of Z is minus 3. Real part of Z is minus 3 and imaginary part of Z is minus 1. Imaginary part of Z is minus 1. Correct? Real part and imaginary part. And the next one is Z conjugate. Z conjugate. Z conjugate means Z is equal to A plus iota B and Z conjugate means A minus iota B. Just change the sign of imaginary part. Just change the sign of imaginary part. So similarly in this case, if we change the sign of imaginary part, it is negative, then it becomes positive. Minus 3 plus iota. This is Z conjugate. This is Z conjugate. And if property, Z conjugate of conjugate, that is also Z. This is a property. And the fourth one is find modulus of Z. Find modulus of Z. Formula modulus of Z. Square root of A square plus B square. Modulus of Z, it means the length from the origin, length of the point from the origin. So you can find modulus of Z, square root of, when you compare, what is the value of A? When you compare, what is the value of A? Minus 3. And the value of B, when you compare, the value of B is minus 1. When you simplify, minus 3 square, 9 plus this is 1 and the answer of this question is root 10. So now this procedure you can find the real part of Z, imaginary part of Z here and the Z conjugate and that modulus of Z. Here you can solve like this question. Next question. Second question. Second question. You know about the property of a complex number. Minus 1 is equal to iota and iota square is equal to minus 1. When you multiplying both sides by iota cube is equal to minus iota and iota to the power 4 is equal to 1. These are some formulae of complex number. Square root of minus 1 iota square minus 1 and if squaring both sides you will get this term and multiplying both sides by iota then you will get this term iota cube is equal to minus iota, and iota to the power 4 is 1. With the help of this formulas, you can solve the question second. Find the conjugate of iota to the power 7. You know that iota to the power 7 you can simplify in the form of this. You can write iota to the power 4 into iota to the power 3. Iota to the power 4 into iota to the power 3. Iota to the power 4 1. Iota to the power 4 1. That is iota cube. Now put the value of iota cube also. Minus iota. It means z is equal to minus iota. Can you write this in the standard form? Standard form is a plus iota, यानी कि 0 minus iota. 0 minus iota. Now we want to find the conjugate of this complex number. Therefore, the conjugate, taking conjugate both sides, conjugate means just change the sign of imaginary part. Therefore, you can say plus iota. So this is the answer. This is the answer. Similarly, you can solve other part of this question. For example, you want to find the value of iota to the power minus 41 like this. Iota to the power minus 41. You want to find the value of this. So can you convert this question in the form of iota to the power 4 is equal to 1? You can write iota to the power 4 whole to the power minus 10. And that is iota to the power minus 1. Can you write like this? But you know that iota to the power 4 is 1. So in this place you can write 1. 1 to the power minus 10. And iota to the power minus 1 means 1 by iota. And iota to the power minus 10, when you simplify, the answer is 1. It means 1 by iota. But the answer should be in the standard form. Therefore, multiply numerator and denominator by iota. Multiply numerator and denominator by iota. That is iota by iota square. And you know that what is the value of iota square? From here, what is the value of iota square? Minus 1. Iota upon minus 1. Therefore, you can say minus iota is answer. So, similarly, you can solve this type of question. Correct? Now, we solve question number 4. Question number 4. Question number 4 you can solve. Find the modulus of the following. Question number 4. Find the modulus of root 7 minus 3 iota whole square. Find the modulus. Find the modulus of root 7 minus 3 iota whole square. Correct? In this formula you can apply this identity. A minus b whole square, that is, you know that a square plus b square minus 2ab. When you apply this identity, root 7 minus 3 iota whole square, you can write root 7 square plus 3 iota whole square minus 2ab. It means root 7 into 3 iota. Root 7 into root 7. When you multiply, then you will get 7. Here is 9 iota whole square minus, that is 6 root 7 iota. Right? Now you can say, what is the value of iota square? Iota square, you know. Iota square. What is the value of iota square? Minus 1. Put here iota square minus 1. Then it becomes minus 9. Minus 6 root 7 iota. When you simplify the from 7 minus 9, minus 2 minus 6 root 7 iota. This is equal to z. When you compare this with the standard form a plus iota b, when you this question compare with the standard form of the complex number, you will get a is equal to minus 2 and the real part compare with the real part and imaginary part compare with the imaginary part, and b is equal to minus 6 root 7. Now can you find the modulus of z? Formula you know? Modulus of z, that is root a square plus b square. Apply this formula. Therefore, modulus of z is a, you know, the value of a is minus 2. When you put here minus 2 square and 6 root 7 whole square, you will get the answer. Minus 2 square, that is 4, and 6 root 7 into 6 root 7. 6 root 7 into 6 root 7, 6 into 6, 36. Root 7 into root 7, 7. 7 6 is 42, 4 7 is 21, 4 25. That is 252. When you add 256, and can you tell me the 256 is the square of which number? Think. 256 is the square of which number? 16. Clear? So 16 is the answer. Correct? 16 is the answer of this question number 4. Clear? Now we solve next question. Next question is find the multiplicative inverse. Find the multiplicative inverse of 2 minus iota. Find the multiplicative inverse. Multiplicative inverse means reciprocal. Find multiplicative inverse of. Multiplicative inverse means the reciprocal of the complex number. You know that z is equal to 2 minus iota, and the multiplicative inverse of this 1 upon 2 minus iota. 1 upon 2 minus iota. Multiply numerator and denominator by 2 plus iota and 2 plus iota. Multiply numerator and denominator by 2 plus iota. Just change the sign of imaginary part. Change the sign of imaginary part. When you multiply 2 plus iota upon, apply identity here, a plus b into a minus b. Identity. A square minus iota square. 2 plus iota upon 4. Put the value of iota square. 1. 2 plus iota upon 5. Therefore, write in the standard form 2 by 5 plus iota by 5. This is the answer of this question. This is the multiplicative inverse. Correct? So, there are some properties you know very well. Z into Z conjugate. Modulus of Z square. Very important property. The Z into Z conjugate is equal to modulus of Z square. Clear? Therefore, you can solve. Yes, your homework is revise chapter 5 complex number. Thank you and solve the assignment also.